Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. Today we are uncovering the secrets behind Harris Dickinson's incredible 2024 lifestyle, career and more. So let's dive in. First of all, we talk about his early life. Harris Dickinson was born on June 24, 1996 in Leytonstone, East London, England. Raised in a working-class family, he developed a love for storytelling and the arts at an early age. Despite initial struggles, including dropping out of school at 17, he found his calling in acting and decided to pursue it passionately. Let me know about his education. Harris studied at the Raw Academy in London, where he honed his acting skills. He also trained in theatres and stagecraft, which became the bedrock of his successful acting career. His dedication and commitment to learning the craft were evident even during his formative years. Career of Harris Dickinson. Harris Dickinson made his breakthrough with the 2017 film Beach Rats, where he portrayed a conflict teenager. His performance earned him a Gotham Independent Film Awards nominations for Breakthrough Actor. He gained wide recognition with his role as Prince Philip in Disney Mel Finch Mistress of Evil 2019 alongside Angelina Jolie. Harris continued to impress with the diverse roles in projects like The King's Man 2021. Let me know about his family. Harris Dickinson comes from a humble background. While he prefers to keep details about his family private, he has credited his parents and upbringing for instilling in him the values of hard work and perseverance. Marital status. As of 2024, Harris Dickinson is not married. He has been in a long-term relationship with his girlfriend Rose Gray, a singer and songwriter. The couple shares a strong bond and often support each other's career. Let me know about his social media fans following. Harris maintains a significant presence on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, where he has a growing fan base. His posts, ranging from behind-the-scenes glimpses to personal reflections, resonate with his fans and showcase his grounded personality. Let me know about some interesting facts. Fact number 1. Harris initially trained to become a lawyer, marine, but decided to pursue acting instead. Fact number 2. He has a passion for writing and directing and hopes to work behind the camera in the future. And fact number 3. Harris is known for his modesty and often avoids the Hollywood spotlight. Let me know about his total net worth. As of 2024, Harris Dickinson's estimated net worth is around $4 to $6 million. His income comes from acting, endorsements, and other creative projects. With his growing popularity, his financial success is expected to rise in the coming years. Harris Dickinson's journey from Leytonstone to Hollywood influences in direct dedication, talent, and resilience. Whether through compelling performances or his grounded approach to fame, he continues to leave a lasting impression on audiences worldwide. So my friends, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring Harris Dickinson 2024 lifestyle, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.